Quick, healthy, tasty and high protein breakfast. This is a Moong Dal Pancakes made out of Moong Dal and masoor dal. Soak 1 cup of Moong Dal and 1 cup of masoor dal. First wash it thoroughly and then add around 2 cups or 3 cups of water and soak it for an hour. Usually Moong Dal and masoor dal get soaked pretty quick. So once it's soft, then transfer it into a blender. You can either make savory version or sweet version of it. Now add around 1 teaspoon of salt and either ginger powder or fresh ginger. Blend it into a smooth paste. Now transfer the paste into a bowl. Add around 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. One teaspoon of Eno salt or baking soda will also work, and a pinch of ginger powder. Once you add Eno, let the batter sit for a minute and then mix everything nicely so that Eno can make the batter more fluffier. Heat a pan, add batter. You can drizzle some oil or butter on top of it. So once it's cooked, flip it. This is the healthier version of pancake. It's high in protein and tastes better than pancake. Cook for about 30 seconds to 45 seconds and it's ready. So now you can take it in a plate. Add some melted butter or ghee on top of it. Serve with chutney, or you can add maple syrup and eat it. Please don't forget to subscribe and comment and like. Hope you will try this recipe and let me know how it is. Thank you.